What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest DGen plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and I got something special for you guys in this one, like I always do. But before we get into the video, I just gotta let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any crypto asset. The crypto space is very risky and very volatile. So yeah, never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. If you do, invest. Now, as you guys can see, I have my channel pulled up. Meme Coin Daily, 402 subscribers. Let's get to 500. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'd really appreciate it. And let's hop right over the DEX tools. Top 10 trending peers on DEX tools. Number 1, we have the. Number 2, Tama. Number 3, SANI. That's the one we're going to be checking out in this video. Number 4, Suka. Number 5, Colt. Number 6, Elon. Number 7, Wool. Number 8, Bone. Number 9, WCI. And number 10, Dogecoin. Now let's hop right into SANI. See what we got real quick. Let's take a look at this chart. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. I like what I see here. When did this launch, bruh? This was out in April. It had a huge run to the upside and it started retracing, then it just went into an accumulation period, guys. And then it had another pop to the upside. For a DGen play, this is what I love to see. I love to see a chart like this a whole lot, because a lot of the DGen plays, they launch, you know what I'm saying, huge launch, you know what I'm saying, you get in down here, you make your gains, you take profits, and then they start retracing, correcting, and then just pretty much die after the fact. So SANI having a big move to the upside after being launched all the way back in April, you know what I'm saying, it's very bullish. Let's take a look to see how far of a move up that was if you got in early October. Around 500%, guys, move to the upside. That is some bullish stuff, man. Projects, DGen plays like this, keep an eye out for the bull market. When new retail comes into the market and projects like this have big green candles, retail is gonna see that and be like, oh, I'm FOMOing in. You know what I'm saying? Keep an eye out on projects like this for the bull market, guys. For the Uniswap pool, for the Uniswap info, we got 525k in liquidity, 591k in 24-hour trade volume, which is great. You'd love to see that in projects. That means people are buying and selling the project is alive and well. We got 1.9k holders and a total of 4.45 million market cap. Now this is the thing, I'm looking at it on the day chart. Let's go to the hourly. And the hourly had the run up, now it's retracing, so it might go sideways from here. Maybe it comes down a bit more and then continues up further. But yeah, 4.45 million market cap. There's still a lot of upside potential ahead. A 10x is 40 million, 100x 400 million, and in bull markets 100 million, 300 million, you know what I'm saying? It's not crazy numbers in bull markets, guys. So like I said, keep an eye out. You can look at the website, see what the project is all about. Sanin Inu, the Shiba Inu killer. Remember when SHIB first made its way on the scene, it advertised itself as the Doge killer. So SANI advertising itself as the Shiba Inu killer. Who knows what could happen in the future, guys? Every bull run needs 100x dog. We had Doge, we had Shiba, we had Feg, we had Kishu, you know what I'm saying? We had Hawk, we had Akita. All of those projects last cycle going crazy. And we are the safest dog around. Sanin emphasizes financial security and has 0% buy and sale taxes, which is pretty good. I like the 0% tax on projects. No pre-sale, no allocated team tokens, and the LP is burnt, okay? The fate of the project will be decided upon by the community. Welcome to Sanin Inu. Now this is the thing, guys, when I read this, I'm like, okay, I see where you're going with it. They're advertising themselves as the next 100x dog for the next bull market, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, when it comes to these DGen plays, you never invest more than you're willing to lose. You might toss some money at this in the future. You don't know what could happen, y'all. Now if the project does fail, oh well, you never invested more than you're willing to lose, so you're not gonna be crying over spilled milk, you know what I'm saying? But I like what I see so far. They have the white paper right here, and you have the how to buy, Sanin farm. What is Sanin farm? Let's take a look. So Sanin has a liquidity pool farming, which is pretty nice to see. And they have 1.4 million in TVL, total value locked. That is bullish, guys. That's better than some of the so-called layer 1 projects, you know, low cap layer 1s that a lot of people in the space are hyping and raving over, you know what I'm saying? So that is pretty bullish for SANI. And they have something here, CV trade. What is this? Okay, so they have like a swap as well that you could use on their site, you know what I'm saying? Pretty nice stuff, guys. Pretty nice stuff to see. Let's keep scrolling down on the site. Safest dog on the block. From the beginning, the contract has been renounced and the liquidity tokens have been burned, meaning that liquidity is locked forever, period. Period. And they have the option for you to click to each Etherscan transaction with the Sanin Inu deployer. That's the renounce. This is the liquidity burn transaction and token sniffer for you guys, so you can take a look. The supply of Sanin is 1 trillion, you know what I'm saying? Okay, 0% tax contract renounce, 100% LP burn, 0% pre-sale. Then they have the how to buy breakdown with MetaMask, ETH wallet, Sanin Inu and Munoshi's vision. Okay, an experiment in decentralized community building. This was a foundation for Sanin Inu. What could hundreds or thousands of random people achieve by working together? The answer turned out to be quite a lot, and we are only just getting started. Sanin Inu is more than a token. It is a lifestyle and a family of dedicated community members working towards a common goal. Now, when it comes to projects like Sanin or just in the degen space in general, the community is one of the most important things. The community, as long as the community is putting in that work, spreading the word of the project that they're invested in, Sanin Inu, for example, they keep spreading the word, they keep pushing the project forward. There's no telling what could happen in the future, guys. I'm telling you, when all these new people come into the crypto space and they're looking and they're seeing projects going 10x, 100x, they're gonna be looking at projects like Sanin, and they're gonna FOMO in. I know it. Come down right here. This is the end of the website. You can see the latest news on Sanin. They have their tweets. Let me pull up the official Twitter. They have a pinned article right here from the Medium. Sanin, what's in it for you? Like the engagement, 75 likes, 41 retweets. The movement starts here. Never create idols for yourself. Many think that decentralization is divisive. This is a big misconception. Decentralization is what will unite the world in the future. I agree. That's why I'm so heavily focused on the crypto space, because of decentralization. You know what I'm saying? I don't like that the governments and the system can take control of my money at any point in time. You know what I'm saying? You could just wake up, they freeze your bank account. What you gonna do about it? You know what I'm saying? Each of you is the creator of your own destiny. Don't let them influence your opinion. Don't give them a chance to influence your life. Have your voice, speak up, share your opinion, create, think, love together. You can do more than everyone can imagine. This is just the beginning. Sign it. This is a nice little write-up. I like that a lot. A glimpse of the last 24 hours. We all know that Sani and Tail don't stop for anything. Okay, so they have another project in their ecosystem. I would think that's what Tail is. Organic growth, majestic community, inevitable volume. Yes, organic. You want to move a project? Stand with us, join us, conquer decentralization. We are Sani. Buys coming in and just scrolling through the buys in video. Now let's check out $Sani. We have a tweet from Nadine. Is Sani the next sheep killer? 106 likes, 24 retweets. Crypto Skull in the replies. Someone got it right. Hey, they're making me want to ape. You'd see 4 million market cap and think, oh, it's too late. It's too late. And then the project goes to 400 million, you know what I'm saying, in the future. Then you'd be like, oh man, I should at least put $100 there. Big influencer in the space, Chiro Crypto. Ape heavier, hold longer, work harder. Don't be surprised when established coins like MRI and SANI do mad X's. Many gonna make new all-time highs. I definitely can see that happening. I've been aping hard. Conviction AF. We have another tweet from KJ Trades. Flying back home tomorrow, I noticed a shift while I was gone for the moment. It is no longer about finding the next 30k meme coin that could send. It's about getting behind established gems with a dope community. It's 10 to 30x liquid gain season LFG. Sani is my fave right now. This is where I'm coming from, guys. 10x to 30x on a project. Still great gains. You just never know what can happen in this space, guys. Another tweet from A Pablo. Imagine Sheep just does this and you didn't load dog coins at the bottom. FOMO about to hit. Sheeb, She, the one that we covered already. Sani, Linu, MRI. This is the thing. A lot of people are bullish on She and Sani, and they see those as long-term holds to go into the next bull market. You know what I'm saying? So just never know when it comes to the crypto space, guys. You really just never know what could be a crazy sender, what could be that life-changing project. You know what I'm saying? No risk, no reward. And the last thing we're gonna check out is the Telegram of SANI. I can see here we have 2,949 members in the Telegram. Not bad at all. And going through the Telegram, I see the community is very active. I'm a SANI boy living in a SANI world. Buys coming in. #1 on Dex Tools again. Let's freaking go. It's been trending on Dex Tools a lot recently, you know what I'm saying? And I saw a lot of people talking about it on crypto Twitter, so that's why it piqued my interest. Like I said, I have to check this project out, see what's going on, see what's happening. And from what I could see in the Telegram, guys, really like what I see about Sanin Inu. Is it gonna be the SHIBA killer for the next bull cycle? We'll just have to wait and see. But I like what I see with the community. I like what I see with the chart as well. You know what I'm saying? Having so much momentum after a launch all the way earlier in this year for degen plays. Very bullish stuff. Very active on Twitter. Social engagement is through the roof. So if you hold SANI, let me know what you think about the project in the comment section. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know what you think as well. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.